Hello everyone, this is Team 9. Here are our 7 team members. We are working on existing residential building situated on Rue Mackey, downtown Montreal, having perspective of owner. The building consists of 21 floors with 3 basements. It has 6 apartments per floor. Construction happened in 1978. The area of each apartment is 630 square feet. Our problem statement is having known the building constructed in 1978, which is 42 years old, once renovated in 2000 and never since. Thus, there is a necessity of a considerable renovation or a replacement as tenants are abandoning these rented units due to measurable damage and spelling in the structural members of the building, as well as leakage and aesthetically unpleasant view. Hence, the building needs profound economical analysis to achieve maximum revenue considering present conditions. The reason for the selection of this particular building is the unutilized and unsymmetrical revenue generation with immediate need of major renovation in the same. Our motivation is the potential of revenue generation of the particular building is very high owing to the fact that building is situated in heart of downtown and surrounded by the universities and public as well as commercial sectors when compared to the building in vicinity. Our team member Calvin, who is a tenant of this building, identified this issue. The building owns a private and a group study lounge, a fitness center, a yoga studio, and triple basement parking are alternatives. We have listed down multiple alternatives. However, after discussion with economical point of view of initial investment and revenue generation, we clinged on to 6 alternatives. Data collection. We are intending to muster the data from online and general sources, including the tariff of Airbnbs and hotel rooms in this area, inventory rates from RSMeans, renovation rates from local contractors, and annual fees for hostel in this area. Our future steps are listed below. After collecting the data, we intend to determine MARR and cash flow diagram. Then we will choose an economical analysis method based on cash flow diagram and study the cost to benefit ratio for alternatives. After that, we analyze the alternatives for uncertainty, risk, and sensitivity and compare all the alternatives in the end and finally present it.